gosh! I just injured my muscle. I ordered a package from Kiko. Welcome to my next house. I passed the exam. I was so excited for this exam. I mean, like, I've been studying for over 2 weeks and I've been doing everything, but I was very nervous. So I'm very happy now.
I passed.
Gerçekten çok güzel.
I'm waiting for my parents. We came a mosque because they are praying. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store together. Oh my gosh!
It is 8 p.m. right now. I immediately need to go to home to sleep. I'm literally sleeping right now. It's past my bedtime. Oh, I wanna go. You can't believe what happened last night. I just injured my muscle and I got painkiller twice at midnight. Now I'm having a huge pain. But it's time to ride. I ordered a package from Kiko. At least we have a reception in our building, so I'm receiving right now. One hand is very hard. I can't do anything with my left hand. I'm holding the camera like this. I'm just heading to my office just to collect my gym bag. I skipped the session yesterday. So I have tons of red paper in my bag and it's extremely heavy. My sister is helping me. And what else? Today is also the birthday of my younger sister, my baby girl. But unfortunately she's not with us. She's studying in another city. Yeah, I can't wait to see her as soon as possible. Welcome to my second house that I spent 7 days a week here. Adulting is hard than I expect. I brought weight papers earlier because on Monday my bag will be extremely heavy. To reduce this, yesterday I ordered new clothes. I think I'm gonna take it tomorrow with me. It's not urgent. Okay, we can leave now. I said I won't take, but it's better to take it. Now it's time to go to the gym. I'll see you soon. My new hat. All I do is procrastination since I woke up. I just got up at 7:30 just to study, and it's currently 1 o'clock. I see how you guys are so ecstatic on your get ready with me videos. And look at me. I am different than the others. Just want attention. It's a heartbroken bitch. Looking for a man who is on the same page. Most uncomfortable place I've ever seen in Starbucks. Ayağını gazdan çıkıyor.